Replacing your windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Scott home. It enhances curb appeal, boosts energy efficiency, and increases property value. However, even the best intentions can be undermined by small oversights during the process. To ensure your window replacement goes smoothly and delivers lasting results, here are some common mistakes to avoid, and how to do it right. Ignoring energy efficiency ratings. One of the most frequent mistakes homeowners make is choosing windows based on price alone without considering energy performance. In a climate like Scott's, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, inefficient windows can lead to higher utility bills and uncomfortable indoor conditions. Avoid it. Look for Energy Star rated windows with low U factor and low E-glass coatings. These features help regulate indoor temperatures and reduce the strain on your HVAC system. Discuss options with your window installer to find the best products for your home's orientation and insulation needs. Measuring incorrectly. Accurate measurement is crucial. Even a half-inch discrepancy can lead to gaps, leaks, or poor alignment that compromise your window's efficiency and structural integrity. Many homeowners try to measure windows themselves to save money but end up spending more fixing mistakes later. Avoid it. Always have a professional take measurements. Experienced installers know how to account for frame irregularities, wall thickness, and trim variations that the average homeowner might overlook. Precise measurement ensures a perfect fit and smooth installation. Overlooking the frame condition when replacing windows. It's not enough to focus on the glass or sash alone. The condition of the existing window frame plays a major role in performance. Installing new windows in damaged, rotting, or warped frames can lead to air leaks and moisture problems down the line. Avoid it. Before installation, have your contractor inspect the frames and surrounding wall structure. If there's wood rot, mold, or structural damage, it should be repaired or replaced first. Sometimes a full frame replacement is the best option for long-term reliability. Choosing the wrong type of window for the room. Each room in your home serves a different purpose, and so should each window. For instance, installing a large picture window in a small bathroom may reduce privacy, while casement windows might not suit rooms that open onto tight spaces. Avoid it. Match window styles to room function. Double hung or slider windows work great for bedrooms and living rooms where ventilation matters. Awning or frosted glass windows are better for bathrooms, and picture windows suit open living areas where natural light is key. Skipping professional installation. DIY window installation may seem like a money saver, but it often leads to problems such as poor sealing, uneven alignment, or even voided warranties. Manufacturers often require professional installation for warranty coverage. Avoid it. Hire certified and experienced installers in Scott. They'll ensure your windows are properly insulated, aligned, and sealed. Professionals also handle permits, local codes, and cleanup, saving you stress and future repair costs. Forgetting about maintenance and warranty. Once the new windows are installed, many homeowners assume their job is done. However, neglecting maintenance and warranty documentation can cost you later. Avoid it. Follow the manufacturer's care guidelines, clean the glass and frames regularly, check seals, and lubricate moving parts. Keep all receipts, warranty papers, and installation records in a safe place. These documents are invaluable for repairs or resale value. Ignoring local building codes and law rules. In some neighborhoods around Scott, window replacement projects are subject to specific regulations regarding appearance, materials, or installation methods. Ignoring these rules can lead to fines or forced reinstallation. Avoid it. Always check with your homeowners association, WA, and local building department before starting. Your installer should also be familiar with Scott's codes and help ensure compliance. Final thoughts. Window replacement is a major investment that deserves careful planning. By avoiding these common mistakes, From improper measurements to skipping professional installation, you'll protect your budget, maximize efficiency, and enjoy long-lasting results. When done right, your new windows will not only make your Scott home look stunning but also provide comfort, security, and energy savings for years to come.